amizaga nigija kuhera abantu abari mu myanya nkabundi buryo town council amagombora garumu harugari Busaru Tokwe Bubukwanga Kirumya hamwe na Bukonzo omucyeka cyo kubanza cya project ege abantu bari kwingana 10 no bamaze kutunga amizaga hamwe n'ebyaro biri kwingana 15.
To assure you people is committed to providing water and sanitation services for all citizens by the year 2040 and Uganda Vision 2040. We believe that improved water supply and sanitation is key to ensuring the well-being of the population, which leads to economic and social prosperity.
Konka Minister nagira ngo abatura binekora cyone kiri kubasika okureba ngo tubashisha mizaga obwe bari kugareberera kurungi
and sanitation system to make maximum use of the system and maintain it in a good state. This state now take that information to the users.
Abanyishengero kurwo mu district ni yemwe nibagira ngo project ya mizaga neza kwera cyango aha abantu babo ababere bashobangirirwe na mizuga marofa.
We have been getting challenges of poor water and we have been getting issues of diseases related to poor water. But as individual with this commissioning of this project, in fact, more than 7 sub-counties are going to benefit.
And please don't get tired with us. Don't get annoyed with demand for water pipes. Please give us pipes so that we also put in resources and help to extend this water to our people.
Amazing. Tusemerirwe muno habokuba kubenu turwara bokuba tubetutaina amazing agalisefu gabenga turwaza umuka enjoka biki
gasha kwa Jonathan Singwire.